We are describing third lesson of economics, poverty as a challenge. Earlier we discussed about the state level poverty ratio. Now describe about the global poverty scenario. Global poverty scenario. First of all, we will discuss international poverty line or the definition of poverty line given by World Bank. According to World Bank, as we know, the people, if they are able to earn $1.25 per person per day, then he is not a poor people. So, according to this, in some countries of world, poverty has been controlled, and in some countries there is the same level of poverty. We can discuss this concept with the help of so many examples. First, China. In China, poverty has been declined because the country has done economic growth and spent more money on the human resource development or education of their people. Next, South Asian countries. In the South Asian countries, poverty has been declined but not so rapid. In Sub-Saharan Africa, poverty has been increased. And in Russia, earlier there was no poverty, but now they are also suffering from poverty. What are the causes of poverty? There are so many causes of poverty in India. First, British colonial administration or British rule. When the Britishers came to India, at that time they damaged our handicraft. Due to this, large number of people they became unemployed, and due to this they are suffering from poverty. Second, less economic growth in India and more population. Population of India is very high, and due to this large population, the economic growth is less. Third, irregular small incomes, huge income inequalities. There is more gap between the income of rich and poor people. Poor people, they are becoming more poor, and rich people, they are becoming more rich. There are so many other socio-cultural and economic factors also which are responsible for poverty in India. What are those socio-cultural and economic causes? In India, there is a trend on the social obligations like any function or ceremonies. People spend a lot of money. Poor people, they have shortage of money. They borrow money from the other people and they have to pay more interest rates. Sometimes they are unable to repay, so they come under debt. In the same way, the small farmers of India have shortage of money. They spend more money to purchase the agricultural inputs like seeds, fertilizers, tools, and on this also they have to pay more interest rate because they borrow money from the large farmers. In the same way, they are unable to repay if their crops are failed, and again they are unable to repay. They also come under debt.